Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick General, locate and open Accessibility, and now go to Vision. And all you have to do to activate Provide Spoken Feedback, just click on this switcher. And now if you would like to activate it, just come along with the whole notification and information and then click on Turn On. And
Talkback is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken feedback.
so as you can hear, this is what Talkback is. If you would like to use it, just tap once on some particular icon and then tap twice to select it. Then you will be provided with the spoken feedback to every action you perform. For example, let me click on font size, tap twice to select it. And now if you would like to activate, for example, small font size, just mark it. And you will be provided with the description, tap twice to select it. And as you can see, it has been changed. So this is it. Then to switch Talkback off, just tap on this switcher and double tap to switch it off. Then confirm that you would like to switch off Talkback and items on the screen will not be read out. Click on turn off and then double tap to select it. So this is it. This is how you can activate Talkback. As you can see now, it's no longer active, so you are not provided with any feedback. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.